Good evening to all. We'll start the session. So before going to the today's session, first what we have discussed in the last session. So in the last session, first I give a brief introduction of what is a software. Just the basic things. I just entered into Python in the last session. What is mean by a what is mean by a software? Simply collection of programs to do some activity. Different types of softwares, application software and system software. After completion of this definition, software development life cycle. How do we develop a software? Starting from gathering of the requirements to deploy the project. In between, all the things are not required for us. What is the required? Converting the analysis or design into program. For that, we need a language. For that, we need a language. Okay. So three types of languages: mission level language, assembly level language, high level language. We discussed what are the three types of languages, what is the difference among the languages, what is the advantage of one language over another languages, and also we discussed the main important point: compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter, which are used to convert high level language into mission level language. After completion of all these basic things, here we are using high level language. One such language is Python. You have any different languages, even Java is also available. Many languages are available. Here we are selecting Python. Obviously our question is, why we are using Python only? Why you are using Python only? I give the difference. For example, in the first scenario, size of the program. Suppose if you want to write a program, consider the previous example. I am printing some message welcome. So the same message is printed by using C program, Java and Python. Compare the simplicity of the programming language. This is one aspect. Second one is applications. Vast areas are covered by Python. This is another one. And Python supports both procedure oriented and object oriented. Both procedure oriented and object oriented. This is another scenario. That means different scenarios why we are using Python. Okay, these are the things that we had discussed in the last session. Just why Python. Now today I will enter into Python programming. I entered into Python programming. Okay, before entering into Python programming, so what is the first step? I want to write some program, suppose to perform addition of two numbers. How, where we are writing the program? General common point. For example, I given you some one calculator. Within the calculator you are performing some addition. In the Java, you are writing some notepad and execute by using JDK. Similarly, Python also required some software for executing the Python programs. Yes or no? Any programming languages require some software for executing a program. For executing Python program, I am using one software, that is one tool, IDLE. IDLE is the tool which is used to execute Python program. Now, today our first step is, what is IDLE? How to install IDLE in your system? What is IDLE? How to install IDLE in your system? And how to write the programs by using IDLE? Understand the point? Now, so the first thing is simply go to any web browser, your wish. You can select any web browser. Official website python.org. Remember, python.org. This is the official website. From this website only you have to download press enter. Okay, so this is the home page. Whenever you are moving into python.org, this home page. Now see here we have one option, download is available. No need to click, simply place the cursor on the download. It is the screen is available. Now depending upon your operating system, suppose if you are using Windows, select Windows, Mac OS, select Mac OS, or any other operating system. So I think most of members using Windows operating system. If you want, procedure is same. Procedure is same. For example, under Windows, see this one, by default it shows Windows operating system version. By default you no need to select any one. See this one, Python 3.11.3. So this is the latest version of Python available. Sir, I am not interested to do latest version. I need suppose Python 3.10. For example, now simply click on Windows. Click on Windows. Now see this one. Different versions are available. Even Python 3.12 April 4, approximately yesterday. So pre-releases, that is, it is almost for release. Now, if you want anything, for example, Python 3.12, suppose Python 3.11.1 released under December 6, Python 3.10.9. Think you understand? Click on anything, your wish. If you want, you click on anything. Sir, I am not interested. Generally, always prefer the latest version. You know that one. The latest version support all the things. Click, automatically one downloader is installed. Right now in my system IDLE is available. If I am trying to install, it is not possible. What is the next step? Anyway, I will explain the next step. Concentrate. Click on this installer. Once you click on this installer, one page is open. Here you no need to do anything. Next, finish, close. You no need to do anything, you no need to change anything. Simply click on next to 3 to 4 times. First time they are asking yes or no. First to click on yes. Next, automatically the Python IDLE is installed. No problem. Very simple. Within 1 minute, less than 1 minute, IDLE is installed. Even though if I am installing, some of the programs are already written in this. So I lost all the programs if I try to install one more time. That is the reason only I am not installing. Anyway, at the time of installation, if you have any doubt, I will explain. Now, okay, Python is installed successfully. Now, where it is available? Obviously, next question. Installation is done successfully. Where it is available? How to open and how to write the program? Go to Start. Go to Start, click on this one. Here type IDLE. You need to type IDLE. Automatically by typing ID only it displays. Type IDLE. See this one, IDLE Python 3.11, this shell. Simply double click on this one or single click, whatever it is. Click on this one. Automatically IDLE shell is opened. Up to now any doubt? Now up to now what I am doing, why? Because this is the first step. Without knowing this step, all the remaining classes are waste. Yes or no? First step, go to the official website python.org. Under home downloads option, according to your operating system, download. In all the operating system, simple procedure is next to. After that, go to Start and then type IDLE. Go to Start and then type IDLE. Okay, IDLE under Start. Now this screen is open. Now you are ready for writing a program. Okay, right now I am not writing any program. I open ideally. Remember, in Python we have two modes. Not in Python actually. The ideally means the place where we are executing the Python. Obviously, there are two modes of Python program execution. The two modes are, one is interactive mode. One is interactive mode. Second one is script mode. These are the two modes. For writing a Python program, depending upon your requirement, you can select any mode. You can select either interactive mode, or if you want, you can select script mode. That is your wish. Either interactive mode or script mode, you can select anything. Now, what is the interactive? The name specified interactive. We are we are directly interact with the shell. Suppose open this one. Here I am typing like calculator 2 plus 3. Suppose if anybody knows C language, suppose C, C++, Java, except Python. In remaining programming languages, for example, general scenario is, generally if you are using C language, you are writing a program, and if you Alt F9, suppose Turbo C, Control F9, that is compilation and running the program, and another screen is open. Within that screen, the output is displayed. I am writing the program at one place, the output is automatically moved to another place. But here in Python, see this one 2 plus 3, this is my input, yes or no? Press enter, I am getting the output. Now you understand the point? Interactive, that is the user directly interact with the shell. I think you know the meaning of shells. Shell meaning is general meaning, not technical. General meaning is the place where we are running the program, that is generally called as shell. The user directly interact with the shell. Suppose generally why we are in what situation we are preferred to use this interactive mode. General situation is if your program consists of one line of code. Understand one thing. Suppose if you want to write a program, it consists of 5 lines. Generally, what we are writing, first to write the first line. After completion, you have to press enter. Yes or no? Generally, for move to the next line, enter. Second line, enter. Third line. But in interactive mode, whenever I press enter, suppose general thing 5 plus 6, observe the triple greater than symbol. Triple greater than, that means that at that position only you need to write the statement. You press enter, automatically the result. For single line of statements, we are preferred to use this interactive mode. Even though you can run multiple lines, not a problem. Anyway, whenever we are moving to the programming, I will explain. But generally, suppose auto, if your program size is more than one line, what is the next choice? Script. I think you know the meaning of script. Script means simply a program. Script means simply some set of statements. How do write the program? See this one. This is very important. File. Click on file. New file. Here you have to write the program. For example, you don't know any syntaxes. Ignore that one. Right now you don't know. Assume this is a Python program. Assume this is a Python program. Now what I return? Simply I open a new file. Within the new file, I return some script. Then before execution, what you need to do? Anything, save. Any programming languages, before execution you need to save. How to save? Simply control S, or else file, save. You can use anything, save. Now see the path. So by default that path is selected. What is that path? I will show you manually. Go to my computer, that is this PC, C drive, users, my system name, And then actually in your system the app data folder is not visible to you. That is a hidden folder. App data under this local programs. Now by seeing this word you understand what is that one. By default your Python software is installed at that position. See this one, Python 311. By default, your Python software is installed at this position. You understand? So, whatever the program you are trying to save, by default, they are saved in the same location. If you want to change, you know that one, yes or no? By selecting, suppose I want to save in Nagaraju folder, click on that one, save. If you want to change, you can save. Now, file name you can give any name. For example, my file name is what is my thing, first to program. Assume this is my first to program. Actually this is what type of file? Python file. Remember, every Python file is saved as file name .py. .py specifies this is a Python file. This is a Python file. But remember, clear? But remember, in this example, you no need to give, even though you are given .py, not a problem. Even though you are given .py, not a problem. Even though you are not given the .py, not a problem. You can give or not give. Why means save as a type. See this one, Python file. Why? Because I opened from IDLE. Here I am not to open the notepad. You understand my point? I am not to open the notepad. Anyway, we'll show you how to execute the programs under notepad. Here you directly open the program by using IDLE. Automatically every file is a Python file. Now save. Okay, my program is saved successfully. Click on run. Next step is click on run. Click on run. Run module. Run module. What is the term module? In the last session I used one word. Many predefined modules are available. Many predefined modules. That means module means simply a program, simply a Python file, a script file which consists of lot of information. Click on this one. Directly whenever you click on this one, you automatically move to the interactive mode. In the interactive mode I got the output 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now you understand, in the script mode, we are writing the program. After execution, we transfer back to the interactive mode. In the interactive mode, the output is displayed. In the interactive mode, the output is displayed. Now, my first concept is completed. Any doubt? What is my first step? After knowing the basic things in the next last session, here I entered into Python. Under that, first one is IDLE installation. After installation of IDLE, you have to write the program. Now, for writing the program, there are two modes. One is interactive mode and another one is script mode. You can select any one depending upon your wish. You can select any one. Okay. Right now, I am ready for writing the program. Okay. Now, how to write the program, obviously that is the next concept. What are the syntaxes, what are the commands, what are the structure we have to follow. So you need to know many number of things, you need to know many number of things. Okay, level by level, again I will repeat, approximately after completion of 3 to 4 sessions only you understand what is a program. If you don't know anything, suppose if you don't know any programming languages, wait for minimum 3 to 4 sessions. After completion of 3 to 4 session only, then you will understand what is what. Suppose if you know any other language, then you will understand what is mean by program. Okay, anyway, My first topic is that is for writing the program. Installation is completed, that is a separate task. For writing the program we need to learn many concepts. The basic and the most important identifier. From now onwards follow carefully. Identifier, first I will give you the meaning, then you will understand the complete thing. Identifier is simply a name. Identifier is simply a name. What is the meaning of a name? In a program, suppose you are writing the program, for example, see this one here. Even though you don't know anything, a is equal to 2. By seeing that one you are understanding one point. A consists of a value 2. What is a? You don't know. Assume a consists of a value 2, b consists of a value 3. Suppose a plus b means the value present in a plus the value present in b, addition is performed. A general scenario. Now how we are using the name a, how you are using the name b? Generally a and b are called variable. That is our next topic. So you need to know one word, variable. Now you understand what is a variable. Variable is used to hold some value, yes or no? Variable is used to hold some value. One topic is no. Now coming to object oriented programming, in the last class I used two words. You don't know the meaning, just two words. One is a procedure oriented, next one is object oriented. Under object oriented you have the concept of class. For a class you need to give a class name. Object you need to give a name. Method you need to give a name. Function a name. Variable a name. Constant a name. So whatever you are using in a program, each and everything you need to give some name. In the very very simple sense, I have one name, you also have a name, you also have a name. Everybody consists of some name. Generally what is identifier? Identifier is a name given to variables, functions, classes, objects that are used in the program. That means a program can use different types of concepts. Okay, here just now remember only the word name. What is the important? What are the rules to be followed? Here I given the variable a, that is correct. B, that is correct. Then only the program is executed successfully. There is no problem. Now what are the rules to be followed? Now you understand what are the rules means. For giving a name you have to follow some rules. Okay, okay, for simplicity, for your understanding, so my parents given a name to me, yes or no? That is identifier. My parents are is followed any rules or not? For giving a name to me, my parents followed some rules. Generally you know that one. What are the rules? Based on date of time, date of birth, date, time. So based on the star at the birth time. So for example, this is the star, the name starts with this letter. This is the star, the name starts with this letter. Yes or no? I think all of 90% all the parents follow some rules for giving the name. Exactly, for giving the names to either a variable, classes, objects, functions, we also have to follow some rules. Compulsory you need to follow. Suppose even though your name starts with n, so if you suppose your name starts with N, I starts with S, there is no problem for the person. But this is a program. Program is executed the mission. Mission, everything is fixed. You have to follow compulsory. What are the rules? First one, a name consists of alphabets. I think what is the most important topic? This is yes or no? Without knowing this topic, that means without knowing ABC, we are entering into words. So a name consists of alphabets. Alphabets in the sense you know A to Z or capital A to capital Z. Remember, both are different. Small lowercase letters and uppercase letters both are different. Now a name consists of alphabets, either lowercase or uppercase. I will show you this one right now. Suppose see this one. Here I am using capital B. Save, control S, save, execute. See this one, we are getting an error. Yes or no? Name B is not defined. Why? Here I am using small b, here capital B. Now you understand? Lowercase letters are different from uppercase letters. Now a name consists of alphabets. Fine. Now a name consists of digits. So digits in the sense any digit combination from 0 to 9, either 11, 12, 13, 25, 234, whatever it is, it consists of a combination of digits 0 to 9, and the most important one is only one special character, only one special character, that is underscore. Suppose if you are seeing your keyboard, you have many special characters. See this one, not symbol, question mark, star, at the rate, dollar, percentage, power symbol, ampersand, many symbols are available. So brackets, parentheses, all those are not allowed for given a name. Only the special character allowed is underscore. So alphabets are allowed, digits are allowed, and underscore are allowed. Only these three combinations are allowed in your name. But minimum one alphabet is compulsory. One alphabet is compulsory for given a name. Now the important thing is, suppose these contains does not. Suppose I given a name, the name does not starts with digit. The name does not starts with a digit. The name must and should starts with either alphabet or underscore only. For example, see this one. I am going to this IDLE. A is equal to some 5. Press enter. It does not give any problem. That means that is correct. Yes or no? So it does not give any problem is a is equal to 5 is the valid statement. A is equal to 5 is the valid statement. Now ABC is equal to 20. ABC means how many? 1 or 3? No, remember ABC is a single variable. ABC is a single variable, single name. Anyway, we'll understand. Remember, more than one name is they are separated by commas. If you have more than one name is they are separated by comma. Here ABC, this is a single name. Okay, press enter. Does not give any error. That means this is also a valid name. Here I am checking whether names are valid or invalid. For example, A12 is equal to some 40. Now A12 is is equal to 25, 10, whatever it is. Ignore the right side part. Observe only left side. Here the left side is A. This is a valid name. ABC. This is also a valid name. A12. Now is this valid or invalid? A12 is also a valid statement. Exactly. A12 is a valid statement. Now A underscore 1 is equal to some 50. Valid or invalid? Why? Special character underscore. I already written the point. See this one. Only one special character underscore is allowed. Only one special character underscore is allowed. Okay, where is this one? Yes, see this one. So underscore is allowed. Come 100%, that is valid. Only underscore. For example, $a is equal to some 20. Now it gives an error. See this one? Invalid. Understand? Only underscore is allowed, except underscore the remaining things are not allowed. Except underscore the remaining special characters are not allowed. Now I used one word. What is the word? Does not starts with a digit. For example, if I starts with a digit, 1a is equal to some 30. Exactly, this is also an invalid statement. Now underscore a is equal to 30. Valid or invalid? Valid. I used only the word does not starts with a digit. The meaning is it can starts with alphabet or it can starts with underscore. Starts with alphabet, starts with underscore. Now that is perfectly valid. My final point is underscore 1 is equal to some 30. Valid or invalid? Valid? Valid. Why invalid? Starts with underscore. Now you understand the point. Simply identifier. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask the doubts. Not a problem. At any point of time, if you have doubt, you can ask me. So one question for the MacBook, which tool should I use to write the code as Notepad is not present in MacBook? Yes, sir. So no need to use the Notepad directly by using IDLE only. We can write the program. IDLE only you can write the program. Yes, okay. Anyway, if you have any doubt related to MacBook, I will explain. No problem. Now, you understand? This is the basic thing. Why? If you want to write any program without this concept, it is not possible to move even single step also. Even minimum simple program is addition of two numbers. For that program also, you need to know the concept of identifier. Okay, alphabets, digits, underscore. The most important does not starts with a digit. One important point. 2 points are there. First, I will give you one point. Is there is no limit on length of identifier. What is mean by this one? See this example. Here the length means the number. Here 1, here 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. You can use like this also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N is equal to 30. Executed. You understand? There is generally no limit on the length. Why we are using this word in the sense, except to Python, in the remaining programming languages, the length of a name, that is identifier, is fixed. You have to use the maximum this many number of characters only. But Python, there is no limit. Even though there is no limit, so are you using this keyword? Suppose, sorry, are you using this variable for storing any value? Generally, we are not preferred to use. According to the program, you are using the variable. Depending on the requirement, depending upon the program, you are using the variable. Anyway, there is no limit. Okay. Now, the last point. Before going to the next topic, in the identifier, we have one point is there. What is the point? An identifier is not a keyword. An identifier is not a keyword. That means keywords are not used as identifier. That means keywords are not used as variable names, not used as method names, not used as function names, not used as class names, not used as object name. Keywords are not used as any name. What is mean by keyword? Obviously, that is my next topic. Yes or no? You know, keywords are not used. What is my next topic? What is mean by keyword? Simply, the meaning of keyword is called a reserved word. Reserved word. You know the term reserved. That means at the time of a programming language development, not only Python, for any program language development, some words are reserved for some meaning. Suppose this is the word, this word is reserved for some meaning. So such words are used only for that purpose only for that purpose. Suppose I written one program. What is the program? Print A plus B. Print is predefined keyword. So the purpose is fixed, which is used to print the value. Such words are called keywords. Now you understand? Keywords means the words that are reserved for some specific meaning. For example, for. This is a keyword which is used for repetition. If is a keyword which is used for checking the condition. Else is a keyword. Like this, you have a total of 33 keywords available in Python. Reserved words. Keywords are reserved words. Both the meaning is same. In Python, you have a total of 33 keywords are available. Now, what are these 33 keywords? Anyway, you no need to remember. You no need to remember. Whenever you are moving to the programming, automatically you will understand. Automatically you understand, okay, this is the keyword, this is not the keyword, this is the keyword, this is the not the keyword. Okay, now 33 keywords. Anyway, right now I will show you the keywords. Before moving to the next topic, in the last session I forgot to share one information to this Python programming. Every day we are providing these documents also. Documents in the sense today this topic, that is from Monday onwards. So for these 3 days actually demo sessions. Anyway, for the demo sessions also we will share all the three contents also we will share. From Monday onwards the group is finalized. That is a WhatsApp group is created with the members who paid the fee. WhatsApp group is created. Anyway, daily after completion of the class we will share the content in the sense I already opened for your understanding purpose. Suppose this is the content. Today I am going to cover this topic identifier. Okay, so identifier, keywords, whatever I covered, IDLE installation, whatever I covered, this is the today information. I will share all this information like this. Document is provided daily, and at the same time recorded videos. I think you know all the information. You know all the information. Recorded videos are also provided, and you have an access of 4 months. You can access the recorded videos from today onwards, not today, from yesterday onwards, whatever it is, one day, no problem. So we have an access of 4 months for this recorded videos. For this recorded videos, no, it is not possible to download. So the recorded videos are only for viewable purpose only. Okay, you are not unable to edit the record, you are unable to download. Only you can view up to 4 months. But anyway, the documents are available. Generally, even though the documents are available daily, you can download the document and share your in your personal system. In the future it is very useful. Along with the documents, so the documents consists of generally, this is the document. For example, see this one. The document generally consists of some theoretical information along with the document. So today I completed a program on this one. So I will share this program also. For example, I will show you, um, for example, this is one batch. See this one, day 12 Python file. So whatever the program we have completed, we will share that Python. Suppose encapsulation, exception, functions. So every day along with the document we will provide whatever we are doing in the class. Exactly the same file is shared to you for your practice purpose only. For today, yesterday, and day after tomorrow, this is the demo sessions. Actually, there is no content. You are right now, you are don't know how to write a program also. Yes or no? We don't know how to write a program. Now, clear the point? Clear, everyone? I think clear. Yes, I got one message. Voice muted by you. No, most of the members, my voice is audible. In between, your audio is not clear. Your audio sometimes it's getting destroyed. Okay. So I resolve the issue. Anyway, I will check one more time. Okay. I will check one more time. I will resolve the issues. Now, one basic introduction is completed. Okay. Enter into the next level. Enter into the next level. The next level is this is a combination topic. The topic is data type and then variable. Which one is first? Data type or variable? We don't know. Without knowing data type, it is not possible to understand the variable. Without knowing variable, not possible to understand the concept of data type. Okay. Anyway, by combining these two, I will explain. First of all, what is mean by variable? Remember, what is mean by variable? A variable is a memory location. What is mean by memory location? Simply, each and every person have some home. Within that address, the person is available. Similarly, in the previous program, I used one statement. A is equal to 2. In this line, A is called a variable. A is called a variable. The variable consists of some value 2. Where the 2 is stored? In some memory. Each and everything that is executed in your system, it has some memory. So a variable is a memory location to hold the value. A variable is a memory location to hold the value. For example, if I am using the statement a is equal to 2, if this statement is executed, internally what happened? Inside the system, some memory is created. Assume the box is memory. Just assume the box is memory. Inside the system, some memory is created with some address. For example, 1000 is some address. Each and everything some address. Yes or no? Your house number is an address. Like this, this portion has also some address. Now, who refer this address? A. Yes or no? A refers this address. What is the value present in that one? 2. This is the internal representation. Whenever you are using a statement A is equal to 2, automatically some memory is created with some address. That memory is referred by the variable. Within that memory, my value is stored. For example, I am writing one more statement B is equal to 3. What happened? The same concept. Now, with it, this is referred by B. Assume some it has some address 1500, whatever it is. Now, within this address, the value B is stored. Within this address, the value B is stored. You understand? Variable is a memory location which is used to hold some value. Now coming to the previous program, what is the program? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. After that you are performing, suppose C is equal to A plus B. Now you understand what happened? First this statement is executed. Whenever this statement is executed, some memory is created. The reference is A. within that one a value 2 is stored. A value 2 is stored. After that another memory is created with some address and the value b within that b. Okay, it's fine. Okay, within that b the value 3 is stored. Clear? Now what is a plus b, and everyone know the basic is equal to the right side is assigned to left side. Yes or no? General basic thing, the right side is assigned to left side. Now what happened? First a plus b addition is performed. Here the meaning is a plus b means not a plus b, the value present in a plus the value present in b. Now here what is the meaning you need to know. Whenever you are using a variable name means automatically the value, you are using a name in the sense the value in that name. So a consists of a value 2 plus b consists of a value 3 3, 2 plus 3 5, addition is performed. This is the internal statement. C is equal to 5. Obviously another memory is created C with some address. Within that one the value 5 is stored. This is the program. Now you understand the point. Variable name in the sense not the name, the value present, the value present. Now one point is clear. What is a variable? A variable is a memory location which is used to hold multiple values. Sorry, which is used to hold a single value, which is used to hold a single value. Right now even multiple is also possible. Right now ignore that one. So after completion of some sessions I will show you. So right now only definition is it to hold only one value. Now go to this IDLE. Go to this IDLE. I will show you. A is equal to sum 3. A variable is created successfully. A. If you print A directly, if you are writing the variable name, what is the output? The value present. Remember in the script mode you need to write print of A. In the interactive mode directly you can write A. So anyway you will understand. Now b is equal to sum 6 b, c is equal to a plus b c. Same program, yes or no? The value in a addition with the value in b stored in c. Now this is clear, this is clear, this is clear. Are you clear? This one addresses? No. No means here I used the terms manually. For example, see this one. If I am writing A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B. So whatever the values performed successfully. What are the addresses? In which location A is stored? I want the memory also. Here I roughly used the letter that is address 1000, 2000, 3000. Here in Python you have a function id. Remember id is a predefined. What is a from now onwards you are using the term predefined. Predefined, that means that are already defined. Suppose print hello. How the system know to print the value? Previously I written the program. What is that one? Print a plus b. How the system know to print the value? The print function is already defined. Whatever you are written inside the print statement, that is printed. Similarly id is a function which is a predefined function which returns the address, which returns the address. Suppose id of a, it returns the address of a, that is at which location the variable a is stored. See this one, ID of A. Press enter. So this is the address. Generally not 1000, 2000 system point of view. At this particular location, the variable A is stored. ID of B. Same address or different address? Exactly different address. See this one? In this location, the B is stored. ID of C. In this location C is stored. Now you understand? So what is a variable? Variable holds some value. Each and every variable have some address. How do you identify the address? By using the function id, we are identifying the address of a variable. Now, up to now it is clear. So up to now, identifier, keyword, installation just entered into the main thing variable. Here under this variable, I will give you two more points. One point is, for example, this is clear. One variable, how many values? One value, single variable, single value. For example, sir, I have three values. Suppose A, B, C. In my program I want to use three variables. The three variables are A, B, C. For example, A value is equal to 2, B value is equal to 2, C value is also 2. For example, assume all the three variables have same value. Then how to assign? Remember one technical word, initialize. Remember the word initialize. Initialize means assigning a value. So A is equal to 3. The meaning is we are assigning a value 3 to the variable A. A value 3 to the variable A. This is called initialization. You understand? Initialization means assigning a value. Now, here how many statements you need to write? Three variables. First A is equal to 2, next B is equal to 2, next C is equal to 2. But all the three variables have the same value. Yes or no? All the three variables have same value. In that situation, you can assign a same value to multiple variables. You can assign a same value to multiple variables in a single line. Instead of using three lines, you can use a single line like this. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 2. Internally what happened? Already I said one point. Right side value is assigned to left side. Now what is the first statement executed? No. First this is executed. Right side is equal to means right side is executed. Now 2 is assigned to C. Now what is the value of C? Before explaining this one, A is equal to 3, B is equal to A. Now what is the value of A? 3. What is the value of B? 3. That means the value in A assigned to B exactly. 2 is assigned to C. The value of C is 2. That is assigned to B. The value of B is 2. That is assigned to A. You understand? That means same value, multiple variables. No need to use A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A, B, C. Now, obviously, what is the next question? Multiple variables, different values. Yes or no? Multiple variables, different values. Suppose A is equal to 2, first line, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Except Python, in the remaining programming languages, generally you need to write 3 lines. But Python have an advantage. No need to write all the variables in multiple number of lines. You can separated by using comma, like this: A comma B comma C is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4. Understand? That means multiple variables, multiple values in the given order. The values are assigned in the given order. 2 is assigned to A, 3 is assigned to B, 4 is assigned to C. Now I will show you: A comma B comma C is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4. A value 2, B value 3, C value 4. Now you agree? Multiple values assigned to multiple variables, values variables. Now clear, the introduction of variable is clear, but before going to the next one, I will give you one point. A comma B comma C is equal to some 2 comma 3. What is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 3. Now what is the value of C? Exactly. Remember, left to side you have three variables. Compulsory you need to give three values. Yes or no? You have three variables means three values. Suppose four members are available. I given only three chairs. You understand the point? Same logic. Three memory locations but two values. Error or not? Error. Not enough values. How many I expected? 3. But I got 2. Exactly. What is the reverse one? A comma B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now, is it possible or not possible? Exactly. Left to side I have two variables, but I have three values. See this one, too many values. Understand the type of error. Anyway, you up to now you are getting two errors. One is value error, another one is name error, syntax error. Anyway, in the next session, I will show you the errors also step by step. Now, first to read the error. Not enough values to unpack. Not enough. That means I need three, but I have only two. Here I need only two, but I have many. That means too many values to unpack. Now you understand the point? You understand the point? Now, this is the concept of variable. Anyway, by knowing the data type, again I come back to the variable. I already used the word. Both are combined together. So, in the next session, I move to the data type. Along with data type, again I will cover the variable also. Variable also. Here, the main important thing is identifier is the main important thing. Everyone must and should know what is an identifier, what are the rules to be followed for giving a name. Why? Because now you understand why you are following some rules. If you are not following some rules, even you are not allowed to write a single program also. Why? A variable, you need a name. A method, whatever it is, you need a name. You need a name. And I used one word. Keywords are not used as a name. For example, ID is equal to some tree. Now, is ID is a key? If you are using brackets, that is a predefined. Understand the term. For example, fur is equal to 4. It gives an error. Fur is the keyword. Fur is the keyword. Now, anyway, these are the 33 keywords. You don't know how to get the keyword. If you want to know this, you need to learn one statement: import. Right now, you are knowing the import? No. Whenever I am moving to the concept of import, again I will show how to get all these keywords from the system. That is from the IDLE. Okay, right now you don't know anything. That is the reason. Just I will show you in the notepad. Endu, yazu, natu, whatever it is, etc. etc. 33 keywords. Actually, those are functions. Remember, if anything followed by these parentheses, that is called function. Keyword is different to function. Keyword is different to function. Now, Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubt? No problem. Anyway, I already said the video recorded is up to 4 months. After completion of all this finalization of the group, daily we will share the content along with the file. That is, what are the things we practiced in the session, we will share that file also. Now, any doubts you can ask me. You can unmute yourself or ping the message, your wish. No doubts. Okay, fine. Okay, that is end of today's session. Thank you very much. Continue in the next session.